Simula sa pinakataas na katawan ng sa... Hey guys, this is CJ Shroud and welcome back to my channel. So today we're still here at Atlanta, Georgia, and today's video is gonna be a travel vlog. So I'm gonna be picked up by my colleague here in Atlanta, and we'll be going somewhere countryside now in Atlanta, because yesterday, or the last video I showed you, was here in Midtown, which is like a lot of people going on. But right now we're going, my hair's like right now we're going to somewhere countryside, and we're actually going to a mountain. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share. Peace and love. Please be a responsible traveler.
Look at all the trees.
So green.
You know what I'm saying? Georgia is
Yeah.
like extremely green.
We're
Yeah.
called the Green City.
(1913).
1913!
Yeah, that's crazy.
What has this nothing
Look
to
at the
do?
booze.
Henry
That's
Mott.
crazy.
Henry C. Mott. Wow, these people draw good, whoever drew this.
This looks like it passed. Yeah.
We've got one of those, but it's bigger. Like, if you can see,
Yeah.
like goosebumps in there.
Yeah.
You good?
Colder or hotter down there?
Feels cool. Daddy, I see the steep stairs.
Yeah.
That's the fun part.
Shit. Ganun. So we have the stairs here.
Yeah.
I hate the stairs.
Yeah.
It means we're
I
near
think
the
there's
bridge.
a shelter here.
It is, in case it starts raining.
Yeah. Hope it doesn't. I got my cameras here, so I don't want to get this
I
wet.
see it, I see it. We're near. We're close, we're close. Alright, we're here. Let's break. Slippy when wet. Use caution.
I think we should take here, center.
Yeah, we should probably go here.
This one's slippery.
Here we go.
This is.
Is that metal hot?
It's not too hot. It's hot, but it's not excruciating pain.
1899. We're almost there.
Keep going, man.
Look, Gibson.
There he is.
What?
There was his grandpa already.
Yay!
This is it.
This is it. We made it.
Hey guys, so we just made it to the top of this tall mountain. It's freaking hot, isn't it? But there's a little breeze. There's breeze, so it's I feel so refreshed, I guess. And yeah, and then there's a cable car from the top going down.
Who's the web developer in NCR? This guy.
This guy.
No way. Not even close.
At the top of this mountain, there's a cable car. See that? It's a cable car. And it's going in front of this mountain. And there's a... I don't know what this is, but some sort of restaurant or some store. Probably where you will buy your ticket to ride the cable car. Look at that. Yeah.
I have an observation. Oh yeah, let's go.
Monks, raccoon,
Beaver,
a fox, and a possum.
possum, foxes.
They have deer here, and they even have coyotes.
Raccoon. We see this in our backyard all the time.
We have
Foxes,
coyotes, but coyotes we see very rarely.
I never seen. Oh no, we saw the coyote in the backyard a few years back. Remember?
Yeah. Dad, if you fell in the water, I think it would be cooled off, but still.
That looks gross. Or there's some stagnant
It
water.
looks gross.
It looks gross.
Some stagnant
It's
water.
really
It looks
refreshing.
muddy.
Yeah.
It looks gross, but it also looks really pretty. Daddy, see the little shrimp?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Where?
right there.
Oh yeah, there's something swimming.
yeah.
I don't know if it's shrimp, but there's
look like
definitely something.
I'm not gonna get wet. It's dirty.
Come on.
Are you gonna do it?
If you'll do it, I'll do it.
I'm so scared.
No, you're not.
I mean, at least I won't fall on my butt.
Yeah. Worst case scenario, just get your tennis shoes wet.
That's fine with me.
That's fine.
Just be careful.
These rocks are unstable.
Good job.
This is so scary. I do not want to get myself wet. Oh god, this one looks so unstable. Either I step on this or I step in the water.
Come on, you got it.
That looks so unstable.
Come on, you got it.
What if I fall in the water?
It's okay. Come on. Press and come to the other guy.
Here you go.
Come on. Give me your hand.
Don't pull me though. That one is really unstable.
Oh no.
Now you can do it.
Look like he did it before.
Careful with that rock. That one's the unstable.
Yay!
Have like a. It's free every Saturday night, I believe. It's pretty impressive.
That lines look so surreal, isn't it? Yeah.
It's crazy, isn't it?
How did it even?
Carolina.
How did it even
Whoa.
carve that there?
It's the same people that did Mount Roswell. The same. We still have to go there. Sometimes
The hot black water, devil's daughter. She's hard, she's cold, she's simula sa pinakataas sa katawan ng sa pabay na basta balagyan everybody now shake it, let's go. What a day! So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share. Peace and love. Oh yeah, special shout out to Matthias, to his wife Lori, and to his daughter Annabelle. Thank you for inviting me and going with me and taking me to the Stone Mountain and for the dinner and all. It's so much fun. It's crazy. It was hot. It was hot though, but yeah. Alright, so see you next video. Bye.